Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the LXun upgraded PCG007 310W power supply, a potential lifesaver for those of you with HP ProDesk systems. Specifically, this PSU is designed as a compatible replacement for several models, including the 280, 288, and 480G3MT, as well as the 400G4 and 282G3 SFF. If you've been experiencing power issues with your HP ProDesk, or perhaps you're planning a minor upgrade that requires a bit more juice, this LXun power supply might be just what you need. It's designed to be a direct replacement, which simplifies the installation process. The LXun PCG007 boasts compatibility with the following model and part numbers: PCG007 DPS 310AB 1A 937516004 and 9017772-004. This is crucial, as ensuring compatibility is the first step in any hardware replacement. Looking at the specs, the LXun PCG007 accepts an input of 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, drawing 4.0A. The maximum DC output is rated at 310W. This should be sufficient for the specified HP ProDesk models, even with some minor upgrades like a low-power graphics card or additional storage. The peace of mind with this unit is also great, as LXun offers a 1-year warranty. They also state that each fan is rigorously tested before shipping. If you encounter any issues or aren't satisfied with the product, they offer a replacement or a full refund. When dealing with power supplies, quality and reliability are paramount. A faulty PSU can damage other components in your system, so it's essential to choose a reputable brand or a replacement that meets or exceeds the original specifications. While I can't speak to the long-term reliability of this specific LXun unit without extended testing, the fact that it's designed as a direct replacement and comes with a warranty is reassuring. If you're considering the LXun PCG007, double-check the model and part numbers to ensure it's compatible with your specific HP ProDesk system. Installation should be straightforward, but always exercise caution when working with computer hardware and electricity. If you're not comfortable performing the replacement yourself, consider seeking assistance from a qualified technician.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.